Look at this. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, episode 11 of I Really Can Cook, and I want to welcome you guys back. Thanks for coming. Thanks for sticking with me, and thank you for subscribing. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. I'm still fairly new to YouTube. I mean, I had a channel back in 2006 or 2016, but I didn't do anything with it. I just had a channel because everybody else had a channel. But anyway, today in episode 11, as you saw in the title, I'm making butter spaghetti. Yeah, butter spaghetti, right? Butter pasta, butter spaghetti. Look at that. Look at that. That's my butter spaghetti right there. My first time making it. It's pretty good. Looks good. Matter of fact, I still need to add some Parmesan, but everything else is in there. Smells great. Man, that smells good. That smells really good. Only thing I'm probably missing is some garlic bread, but with this big old monster plate of pasta and a bunch of pasta that I got left in my big old pot, I think I'll be all right. Well, anyway, come on inside my kitchen and I'll show you how to make it. Welcome back, everybody, to episode 10 of I Really Can Cook. I say welcome back because I've seen a growth in my subscriptions, so I assume you're coming back to see more of what I cook in my kitchen. Well, today I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what I'm making. I'm making butter pasta, butter spaghetti. Yeah, butter spaghetti with fresh garlic, parsley, Parmesan cheese, spaghetti, and of course, butter. Got my spaghetti right here. Well, let me pull that back. Got my spaghetti right here. It's actually boiling in the pot back there, getting ready. Fresh Parmesan. There we go. Fresh Parmesan. Fresh garlic. Can you see that? Too bright? I don't know. There you go. Fresh garlic. And fresh parsley. Yeah, nice and green, leafy green, the good stuff. I've never made this before, but it seemed like a pretty simple recipe. All you're gonna do is you're gonna boil your spaghetti. If you've boiled spaghetti before or any type of pasta, boil your spaghetti till it's right, nice and right. You know, that little al dente, little bite to it. You're gonna saute your fresh garlic and put some butter in there. Then once that's nice and ready with butter, from what I've read, the butter's supposed to get a little brown, just a little bit. Make sure the butter's a little brown. When your butter's a little brown and you've already drained your pasta, it's ready to add it to the pasta mix. Butter, garlic, pasta, and then when you're done, you want to add some parsley on top and some sprinkles of Parmesan, however you like it. And me, I'm probably gonna add some hot sauce, some Tapatio, because that's just the way I do. Matter of fact, fresh bottle of Tapatio, here we go. I'm gonna add that to my pasta and we're gonna find out how good it really tastes. But before we get in cooking, like always, we must wash our hands. We're gonna add our broken pasta to the boiling pot. Let that cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. After my pasta's been boiling for about roughly 11, 12 minutes, give or take. Now it's time to take it over to the sink and drain it. That way I can put it back on a low fire on the stove, add my garlic butter, add my parsley, mix it up with my rubber tipped tongs because I don't want to shred the pasta or spaghetti even more than I already did when I broke it initially. So gonna go ahead and mix that up, make myself a plate, fill my belly. But I think this is gonna be really good. I hope you can see that. I know I got the light on it kind of heavy, but it looks pretty good to me. And yeah, I'm not gonna have you guys watch me eat it because that's just not fair to y'all. That's just not cool, you know, me getting all my grub on. But the good news is I showed you how to make it, or me making it maybe inspired you to go ahead and make some for yourself, because like I said, it is a simple dish. Only took me maybe 15 minutes, and it only took that long because I was spending a lot of time filming it for you guys. So anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, and hopefully some of you guys have gone to my tech page, A. Roberson Photo. It's on YouTube. Yeah, my YouTube page, or YouTube channel rather. It's on YouTube, A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media. But this is I Really Can Cook, and I'll see you in episode 11.